Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we will design our second section which will look like as this one. Okay, so let's have a create a new section here. I'm just gonna click this one, then here I'm gonna click this plus button and I'm gonna select one column. Okay, because I only want a one column here. Then I'm gonna give a width to this column. I'm gonna write here 1000. As you can see, there's now a little spaces, and the next thing I want to do, I want to give it a background color. I'm gonna come here to background type and I'm gonna choose completely white. Okay, it looks nice. Also guys, I'm gonna give a little padding from top and bottom, so I'm gonna go to add ones. I'm gonna click this unchecked. I'm gonna write 50 from top and 50 from bottom. Okay, looks nice. So next thing guys we have to do, we have to create an image in this column. So I'm gonna go click here. I'm gonna select the image. I'm gonna put it inside this column. Okay, it looks nice. So I'm gonna select the image. I'm gonna put this image here. I think this is okay, and insert media. As you can see, it looks nice. Also, I'm gonna change it to the thumbnail. Okay, so next thing guys I want to do, I want to add the text underneath that image. So let me go to this component section again and I'm gonna choose this heading and I'm gonna put it here. Okay, it looks nice now. I'm gonna change it to the new. Let me check what actually I write here. Staying ahead of the trends. Okay, so that means I have to put another text underneath this one, but first of all I'm gonna make sure that it looks like this one. So let me click it. I'm gonna put it on the center. Okay, and then I'm gonna change its font style. Let me go to typography. I'm gonna write here 25, and for the weight I will choose 800, and I want it to be completely uppercase, so let me choose the uppercase here. And I think that's all what we have to do, and also we have to change its color as well, so I'm gonna change it to completely black. Okay, now it looks nice. So I'm gonna just duplicate it and I'm gonna write the text here, which is going to be staying ahead of the trends. I'm gonna change it, staying ahead of the trends, but it is looking different, so we have to make some changes on this one as well. Let me click this style, go to typography. For the font size I want to have 20. Okay, and for the weight I will change to 600. Looks nice, and to the lowercase. Yeah, I think they are looking same here, but the thing we forgot, we have to change its font family as well. So I'm gonna write Source Sans Pro. Okay, looks nice. I'm gonna change this one as well. Let me go to style, typography, Source Sans Pro. Okay, the next thing we have to do, as you can see here, there is no spaces, so we have to make sure that the spaces are gone in this one as well. And to do that, let's go to the advanced, and here I'm just gonna write minus 10 pixel. I think it has to be more. I'm gonna write 15, a little more. I think 18 is enough. Okay, looks nice. And for this one as well, I'm gonna change the margin minus 18. Yeah, okay, it looks nice, it looks same as this one. So for these other icons guys, I'm just gonna click to this column and I'm gonna say duplicate. It has been duplicated. One more and one more. Okay, so for all of them we have to change the icons and the text. So we have to put this vegan icon. Let me click this image here. I'm gonna upload files, select file, this vegan. Okay, insert media. For this one, I'm gonna change it to this carb conscious icon. Upload carb conscious. Okay, insert media, and for this one you have to put the vegetarian icon. Okay, upload files, vegetarian. Okay, it looks nice now. They are almost same. So let me change this text here. This is going to be vegan. I'm gonna delete that section here, this text here, because I don't want it to be here. And for this one, carb conscious, how did I write it? Conscious. Okay, and bunting friendly. Okay, let me get it. Bunting friendly. And for this one, guys, we don't need any text here, so I'm just gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna change this one to vegetarian. Okay, it looks nice. The only difference, guys, as you can see here, we are just showing staying ahead, and underneath that we are showing all trends. So here it shows staying ahead, but we have to go to the next line here. So I'm just gonna click here, and I'm gonna just put this one. So as you can see, just go to the next line. I think it shouldn't be here, it should be here. Yeah, now it looks same, guys. And now we are going to create this breakfast section here. So just click this one. I'm gonna choose one column again, and I'm gonna put a background image to this one. It's going to be background type, classic, images, upload files, select files, and I'm gonna choose this breakfast image here. Okay, when it's been completed, I'm gonna click the insert media, and the image is here now. So we have to make some changes as well. Let's go to the layout. First of all, I'm going to give it a height. I'm gonna say minimum height, and I think this is a load for this image, so I'm gonna write here this one. Yeah, it looks nice. And also the image is repeated here again, so we have to change it as well. So let's go to style, and here for the position I'm gonna choose center and center. So now the image is centered. And for repeat, let's choose no repeat. As you can see, image is not repeated anymore. And for the size, I'm gonna choose the cover. Okay, it looks nice. And we have to put the text here. Okay, so put the text, guys. I'm just gonna click this one and click the heading, and I'm gonna put it inside this column. And I want to be sure that this text is on the center, so let me click the center button. Okay, so we have to change the style of this text here. It's going to be completely white. Okay, and then you have to change its typography as well. For the text family, I'm gonna choose Source Transform Pro, and for the pixel, I'm gonna give 45 pixel. Okay, it looks a little more bigger. For the weight, I'm gonna choose 800. Okay, it's a little more bold now. I think that's okay for the section, but we have to change is text as well. We have to change here breakfast fast menu. Okay, I'm just gonna save. I'm just gonna update, and I'm gonna click this button to see how actually my design looks like. Okay, my design looks like as this one. And the next thing, guys, we have to do, as you can see, these tags are not completely visible here, so we have to give a background overlay to these images or this section. And to do that, guys, let me go to here. I'm just gonna select this section here, edit section, and for the style, I'm just gonna come here and select the background overlay. And the thing that we have to do here, just click to this classic button here, and then, guys, we have to change the color. And to change the color, just click this one, and I'm gonna paste this one here. I'm gonna put this one in the description, or let me show you here a little more clear so you can see. I just give the RGBA color and the opacity as well, so it looks like this one. Okay, so now the text is more visible. I'm gonna do the same thing as well for this one. Let me click edit section, style. I'm gonna close this one, background overlay, background type, and for the color I'm just gonna copy this one. Okay, so it looks more better now. So in the next video guys, we will design the breakfast menu here as this one. Let me close this. We will design this menu here. Okay, so see you in the next video. By the way guys, if you like the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and if you have any question, please ask them in the comments.